Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a power hour clean with me, and first thing we need to do to get started on the video is put some laundry in. And after the laundry is started, we're going to go ahead and move into the bathrooms. And all I need to do, I don't need to do a deep clean, I just need to wipe down the counters and mirrors and stuff. So I'll be doing that, and I will also be vacuuming the floors. Moving on to the kids' bathroom, I'm doing the same thing. Again, I don't need to do a deep clean of the bathrooms today. I just need to wipe down the countertops and the mirrors. Obviously, you can see little fingerprints from my kiddos, but I just need to wipe things down and just tidy things up. doing is wiping down the fridge. It had been a while and there were fingerprints on it and they were starting to bother me, so I just needed to get it clean really quickly, and all I'm using to clean it is a stainless steel wipe. And if you haven't already noticed, I'm a little OCD, so I'm just organizing these letter magnets. Moving on to Shane's room, all I'm doing in here is just making the bed. And I said in my previous video, I don't make his bed every day. It's just when I think about it, I do it. So I'm just doing it this day, and I probably won't do it for the rest of the week. Going back to the laundry, here I am just getting a load out of the dryer and putting what's in the washer into the dryer so I can start a new load. Our dryer is actually outside in the garage, so that's why you saw me walking inside with a basket full of clothes. And this is our cat. His name is Butter. He loves to lay in laundry baskets full of clothing. Luckily, I had not washed this yet, so he's probably going to get mad at me for having to move him, but he's just so cute. I had to show you him. Sorting through the clothes so I can put everything away. Typically when I do laundry, I'll do mine and my husband's, and then I do my kids' laundry separate. So all this stuff is just mine and my husband's stuff. So I'm just going through it so I can put everything away. So now I'm just putting it away, and I do want to say that I have my headphones in, if you didn't notice, and yes, I am laughing because it's just too funny. So I have my headphones in, and I don't know if anybody noticed, but I did bust out a little dance move, and I just can't help it. Music makes me motivated, and sometimes I just have to dance. much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you part of my YouTube family, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.